Perflex Polypro Tile Grout Installation Instructions. Here, you can see what is included in the toolkit. There is one dual cartridge or tube, and one nozzle per box. Step 1. Choose your color. Check for damage or cracks and plan your process if internal and/or external corners will need to be grouted. The recommended minimum grout joint is 2 mm wide, 5 to 6 mm deep. Ensure that the joints are completely dry and clean of any dust or debris. Tile adhesive must also be completely cured. Use a cleaning sponge to tidy up the tile edge if required. Apply wax to the surface of the tile only either side of the grout joint. Warm up the grout in water for 10 to 15 minutes. 45 to 50 degrees C temperature. Don't exceed 60 degrees C temperature when warming up. We do not know where the grout has been stored, shop or vehicle, etc. Varying temperatures can affect the grout. Warming up will ensure that the mix is even, flows smoothly with no blockages, etc., leaving a nice finish. But too much heat can make it too fluid, so follow the guidelines. Cut the nubs from the head of the tube, trying to ensure that they are the same size. The tube collar overhangs the end of the gun. Ensure there are no blockages. If required, squeeze out a small amount to ensure part A and B come out at the same time. Ensure that the nozzle is fully locked into place. Twist all the way so it is fully locked. Cut the nozzle to the desired size of the joint. Discard the first 30 to 40 centimeters to ensure a good mix. Trial a small area to test the grout color a final time. You can use wax or tape on the joints as shown. Operate the gun at an angle of around 65 degrees or more and apply at a consistent speed. Slowly and evenly fill the joint. Keep the angle of the press plate at around 65 to 70 degrees. Use a steady, constant speed. The waste should be completely separate from the joint. You will see a track of waste either side of the joint. Ensure that the grout in the joint is smooth and flat with no lumps or indents. The grout needs to be pressed or finished within 8 to 10 minutes. If you see any blemishes, press it again immediately. Double check your finishing. The grout will be cured in 3 to 4 hours. Use the scraper to assist with removing the waste, which will peel off easily. Inspect the work and repair or improve any imperfections.